Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, July 19th. It's 2018. We have beautiful weather out there right now. Pause for a second there just to enjoy how nice it is. Enjoy how nice it is right now because it's going to go downhill this weekend and on through next week. We'll discuss what is happening here, what's causing all of this, and also what to expect for your upcoming weekend because it's not exactly going to look very good out there. So for today, absolutely beautiful out there. Temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. We have winds from the northwest veering to the northeast around 5 to 10 miles per hour. High pressure in complete control. And you can see that on the surface map. High pressure is in complete control. This low pressure system, though, is getting ready to cause some mischief for this upcoming weekend, with the potential for some significant rainfall and maybe a little bit of beach erosion and some strong winds. Very interesting weather pattern is starting to evolve here. On the radar, not much going on. And on the visible infrared satellite picture, again, I love watching this satellite picture. You can see pretty much clear skies are in place, not much going on. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, high pressure and control, temperatures rising into the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, lower to mid 80s everywhere else. Low humidity, very comfortable weather conditions, perfect for any outdoor activity. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, look for scattered cloud cover, winds veering to the southeast around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Look for lows in the lower to mid 60s. Tomorrow afternoon, high pressure starts to exit. You're going to notice an increase in the cloud cover just a little bit, with temperatures ranging from the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast and lower to mid 80s everywhere else. Now on Saturday, what's going to happen is that we're going to see this area low pressure develop along the warm front boundary. Our primary low pressure system is back here, but this low pressure system may be a little bit more pesky than what you might be thinking. This low pressure system has the potential of taking on what we call some warm core or tropical characteristics. Now, look, this isn't going to be a major storm in respect of, of a hurricane or tropical storm, but what it will represent is the potential for some very heavy rainfall. So look for increasing clouds throughout the day on Saturday. Showers developing towards evening. Temperatures on Saturday, not all that bad. Look for lows in the lower to mid 60s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, lower 80s everywhere else. On Sunday, this low pressure system lifts northward. Now notice the past few days I've been saying that even though that the WBC isn't showing the low pressure system, that it's there. Now it's showing it's there, as I guess we've gained enough mile support for it to be shown. But basically this low pressure system is going to take on some what we call warm core characteristics. So that means some concentrated bands of heavy rainfall, and also some windy conditions. So Saturday night into Sunday morning, look for winds to increase. I'm looking at anywhere from 15 to 30 miles per hour sustained, and then wind gusts over that, possibly exceeding 40 miles per hour at times on the immediate coast. Definitely be prepared for some beach erosion and some minor to moderate coastal flooding. In short, it is not going to be pretty Saturday night, and especially on Sunday with periods of moderate to heavy rainfall. The exact track of this low pressure system is still a bit debatable, but the overall theme is this. Look for periods of heavy rainfall and windy conditions and a rather wet, raw day. Tropical out there as well, with lows in the lower to mid 60s and highs in the lower to mid 80s. Then this pattern really starts to evolve here for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, so what's happening here? Basically, you have your ridge out here in the Atlantic. Out here, just kind of sitting here getting stronger. And you have a trough that is centered over the center part of the country. And what that means is that these cold fronts are going to constantly try to approach the region, and as they move closer, they'll weaken. But they have enough ability to lift all this moisture in the atmosphere to constantly produce periods of rain throughout that forecast period from Monday on through really the end of the week. So what this weather pattern supports is basically a tropical weather pattern with periods of rain, variable cloud cover. Your low temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s because of all the moisture in the atmosphere, but you'll stay cool in the afternoon with temperatures ranging from the upper 70s to lower 80s because of all the cloud cover and rainfall. So basically a muggy, cool, raw type weather pattern expected for much of next week. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.